Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Guess you don't know yet. Just listen. I'll show you how to catch so many fish you won't know what to do with them.
Well, listen, I was disguised as a tow truck to infiltrate this lemonhead meeting, and my weapon system's done.
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasites! But actually, this is my good side here.
Not to public. If the press find you, they will be like many, many bugs on you.
Why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Over here!
Rusty Tails down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper bump. A nodder.
This is going nowhere fast.
We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Op met hikken, soldaat. Dit is een bevel. Neem een slokje water.
Thanks, guys. Nice paint, kid.
Ow.
Excuse me, pardon me. Coming through. Good to see you. My bad. Hey, Ricky, how's the kid? What's your hood?
Thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. I was. Hey! Vito!
Pit stop.
Fenders! I know just what's wrong with you, Henry. You have been given the wrong car.
Feeling lonely, lost and let down.
One, two, three. A winner. Who'll be jamming now?
Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner un buen alto al Rayo McQueen.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él! ¡Ah!
A little bit of training.
Hello, Faith. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man!
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy.
Oh, you ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy
Is everything okay?
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No.
Yeah, drive. Don't you big city race cars ever just take a drive?
No.
Road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you lemon?
All the little crappies have gone night-night.
No, I ain't saying that. You tell her.
Bas. O zaman neden dinleniyor ha?
Çünkü nelerin önemli olduğunu biliyor. Arada bir şöyle ağırdan alıp hayat...
The engine.
When I changed the direction of my life, when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing School.
Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Oh,
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad.